I hope everybody is having a great day. Today I have an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. I have 3 of them here that are for Christmas. 2 of them I want you guys to let me know which one you want me to kit up to do this month, because I really want to do both. And I know for sure I will not finish them because they're kind of, they're not small. But I would like to work on them and at least start them because, like I don't have enough whips at this moment. But anyway, so the one for sure I don't want to do, I think I'll do that one, unbox it right away. I bought it, so I love it, but I just thinking about right now. So this one is a square, which we all know I love. And this one is called A Magical View to Christmas. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Webcam is not. Is that better? No. Further away? Anyway, I'll show you a better picture of it. Sorry, this thing is heavy. So this one is a 90 by 70. Dang. And like I said, it is a square. I know for sure this one came out last year. Right? Yeah, I think it came out last year. As we all know, I am really behind on my videos. So I just opened up 2 boxes the other day. And so yeah, so then that way I knew I was ready for 2 unboxings. So this is their old kit. It's still fabulous. It'll get you still going on a kit if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before. So we have poop ton of little baggies. We have very sharp tweezers, because it's a square. Blue pen. Blue squishy. 2 pieces of heart wax. A clear boat, and a 4-placer. And we have their sticker. Is that better? No, it's still blurry. Come on. Come on. There we go. It is by Nikki Boheme. Probably slaughtered it. We've got beautiful 2 Christmas trees. Well, one inside, one out. Some wreaths, the fireplace, which I love fireplaces. And we got cute little penguins. I think that's a bunny. So super duper cute, which is why I got it. This one's a heavy one. Hopefully I can get, I don't know what that was. Hopefully I can get all the diamonds back in its box. Hello, Christmas lights. We've got the beautiful fireplace with some stockings that are hung. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Oh, we got a puppy. Beautiful wreaths, some candles. Got a teddy bear. All right, there we go. Okay, so there's the penguins and yep, bunny. So cute. So cute. Oh, it's a rocking horse. And a snowman. Oh my gosh, this is super duper cute. Step-by-step instructions. I don't know if this will let me get a close-up view for you guys. A little bit. So like I said, it is a 90 by 70. There are 64 colors. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And since this was last year, no specialty ones, but you definitely can bling it out if you want. There are several companies out there nowadays. But wow. If I did have like 2 others that look similar to this, I'd probably have this one in the contestants to work on as well. But there are 2 other really monstrous big paintings that I bought a couple years ago that I still haven't done that are super cute, and I would like to work on those as well. So I decided not to do this one because I like to do those other ones before this one since they are similar. But I really do like that fireplace. That is so cute. Okay, so drill field is really, really clear as usual. Oops, sorry, a little close. Come on, webcam. Come on. There we go. Nice and clear. Alrighty. Yeah. So I'm going to keep you guys here because I'm going to bring you guys down anyway for the drills. All right, there we go. And Eli has been fascinated lately by the plastic of DAC, so I don't know what his deal is. We're at the beginning. There it is. 938, 2 bags. 3051, 2 bags. 312, 3. Oops. Okay, what's going on? Should we go this way? Maybe not get so much glare. Nope, still glare. Still glare. Anyway, 3772, 2 bags. 310. Should we see how many 310s there are? So 1, 2. Oh, really? All right, just 2 bags. 413, 3371, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags. 414, 2 bags, 778, 732, 934, 3064. I think we're going to go backwards, but that's okay. 155, 318, 2 bags, 3 bags. 415, 2 bags, 3 bags. 938, 814, 3799, 498, 3860, 647, 762, 2 bags. 742, 317, 2 bags. 741, 3807. Please, Louise, 792, 2 bags. 3861, 666. Oop, there's our first AB. It's a yellow 130. Gorgeous. AB means Aurora Borealis. Can you see? Okay. See the rainbow effect? I mean, you can definitely tell. That is an extra coating that they put on the drills. It's so gorgeous. 947, 3854. 898, 322. I'm trying to figure out this lighting situation. This is getting ridiculous. 336, 158, 312, 740, 340, 702, 745, 334, 3830. 703, 355, 3325. Oh, yeah. There's our light blue, 101. Oh, that's pretty. I don't think I've had a light blue. That's gorgeous. 3864, 433, 3777, 100. Here is a really muted light green. It is 100. I know that's the first time I've seen that color as well. 434, 604, love that pink. 701, 3841, 699, 700, 327, 356, 603, 772, 311. Oh, it got squished. 605. I promise it is 605. I can see it. You guys can't. The glare in this blue. This blue just does not, these stripes just does not like this, my lighting in this. We got 2 bags of whites AB, 141. And 2 bags of 3746. Oh, that is a really pretty purple. It's really pretty. All right, so those are the colors. Give me a couple seconds on your end. It'll be quick. On my end, it'll take me about 5 minutes. Maybe longer. I'll be right back. All right. Actually, that one wasn't so bad. Okay, so this is 1 out of 2 that I want you guys to help me pick out which one to do. I totally forgot I even bought this one. Actually, both boxes that I opened up, I totally forgot I bought. Oh my gosh, excuse me. So I'm so glad that I'm kind of forcing myself to be on a no-buy right now because I have a poop ton to still unbox. But anyway, so we've got, are you ready? Garfield! Yes, I had to get this one. This was so cute. And I love Garfield. And Odie. Is it Odie? I think it's Odie. But I just love this box as well. It's so cute. So cute. Oh, and then tips. Anyway. Oh, this also is a square. Fabulous. So this one is called a Garfield Christmas. It's a 70 by 70. Yowza. Yeah. Like I said, these kits are not small kits. Oh, heavens mercy. Oh, that's heavy. All right, box is empty. So this is one of their new toolkits. Oh, there we go. And it's a square, so it should have tweezers. Yes. Pink tweezers. Well, yay. Those are different. Ooh, still sharp. Very sharp tweezers. That's different. So can I get them back on? I think I did open up one box that had sharp tweezers. Yeah. But wow, interesting. All right. So it comes with baggies. Oh, only one thing of wax, but it has 2 of them in here. 1, 2. Oh, we got a pink sparkly pen. A pink squishy. I love this. It's all pink. Yes. All right. We have a very pretty pink, oh, for heaven's sakes, pen, cover minder. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Oh, I love it. So pretty. All right, so that's just going to go right here. We got a sparkly clear boat with a stopper, a 4-placer, and a 7-placer. Nope, I think it goes the other way. Maybe. It doesn't matter. All right. And we've got fancy dancy washi tape. Oh, wait. No, I'm going to put this in here. I really need to start getting a container just for all my washi tapes because it's hard to find them all. Ooh, it's silver or gold. It's really pretty. Love it. All right. Other way. So all you got to do to help me pick is on the comment below, just type in which one you want me to do. And of course, I will tell you what the second one is here in a minute. Which way? Okay, this way. Because I see feet. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is going to fit on the camera. I'm sorry. You see the feet? Oh, hi, Garfield. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, even Santa. Step by step. Our drills. Oh, this is really cute. Okay, so yeah, so this is number 1, Garfield Christmas. All right, I'm gonna scoot up a little bit. Okay. Bring you guys down. All right, 740, 938, 2 bags, 890, 3867, 2 bags, 3 bags, 301, 312, 741, 2 bags. Oh, it didn't come with a, oh, it did come with a label thing. Oh, poop. The sticker thingy. Oh, I didn't even realize that until just now when I was gonna, because I don't know how many ABs there are in here. Well, that's a first. Okay, anyway, sorry. 743, 742, 2 bags, 451, 3865, 2 bags, 3 bags, 452, 310, 453. Oh, some more 310. So 3 bags, 699, 991. That's a really pretty. I know it looks blue in the camera, but it's a green. Oh, that's pretty. 3371, 2 bags, 745, 400, 817. Beginning. Here we go. 700, not 498, 2 bags, 939, 720, 814, 3823, 415, 3782, 779, 414, 762, 907. Oh, 101, which is an AB. Oh, AB. So pretty. 3776, 772, 598, 900, 322, and 893. 891, 210, 666, 38, 34, 992, 775. Oh, and then we got a green 134 AB, 3865, 434, 803, 125. It's not a white because white is 141, but it's an off-white. That's a new color too. 334, 951, 712, 3816, no, 3856, I apologize. 127, a very light pink. 3708, 340, 778, 2 bags. No, sorry. 3778 and 758. All right, so there is that one. Give me a couple seconds to put this away and I will be right back. Okay, and your second choice of the day, are you all ready? This one is called Gethsemane and is by Mandy Manzano. And I really want to do this one, but I want to do Garfield as well, which is why I need help for you guys to help me pick out which one to do, because I love me Mandy, and I haven't done a Mandy in, oh my gosh, uh, long enough. So this one is also a square, so yay. This one is a 92 by 56. Toolkits. Oh, at least this one has, even the Garfield one didn't have the label sticker either, or the logo, it didn't have this. So I don't know. I might just shoot them a quick email and say, hey. So everything's the same. Oh, no, it's not. Because I've been changing things. So I know there's a cover minder and wax paper in here. Woo! All right, so we got a light blue pen. I think if this is just baggies. Yeah, just baggies. So, very sharp pink tweezers again. Pink wax. Ooh, washi tape. Yes, love it. And we got a sparkly blue shape heart. I've got this one. This is a dark blue, and this is a green. I don't remember where they all came from. I mean, what kit, but yay, another one. I'm gonna need like something with all these cover minders as well. Anyway, blue pen, blue squishy, 4 and 7 placer, which I always keep because, yeah, they break. Which is why metal tips are so popular. I don't think I need another pink tweezer. I have plenty. Pink wax. All right. Oh, I can't get that closed. That's all right. All right, let's get into this baby. I want to see the canvas. I haven't even unboxed a Mandy in forever either. So let's just say I was super excited. It's a Mandy, y'all. I love me Mandy. Okay, so here we go. So pretty. Oh, there we go. Oh, gorgeous. All these flowers. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, thank you, Kit. Okay, here, this is what's missing in case. Whole 64 colors. Dang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ABs. I mean, it's just so pretty. All those flowers. Oh, so pretty. All right. Yeah. It's just, oh, yeah. So like I said, I'm having hard issues of which one to do. So please help me out. Either this one or Garfield. If you don't remember the names, or especially this one, Gethsemane, just do 1 or number 2, and I'll know what it is, or which one is which. All right, this is a Mandy, and she's got poop ton of black 3 times. I already know this. Usually hear kids do anyway. Are we ready? Because it's starting. All right, 310. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we got 8 310s. 939. 1, 2. Oh, only 2. 820. 796. 3371. 2 bays. 125. It's like, I don't know what color it is. It's not white. It's very pretty though. Very pretty. Like a very, very pale light green. It's so pretty. 799. 936. 797. 739. 3024. 823, 2 bags. 3787. 3017. Wait. 336. 737. 798. 2 bags. 141, which is the white AB. Ooh, 2 bags of that. 413. 3755. 3811. 640. 355. 938. 792. 356. 647. 3746. Oh, I should give a deadline. Let's see here. Today's Monday. Hopefully I'll have this unboxing up today as well for y'all. So I'm going to say when I go live that Thursday, this Thursday. So you'll just have a couple days because I really want to kit this up and get this one going. Oh, we have this set. $37.99. Ooh, $109. Ooh, light gray. Wow, cool. 158, 414, 318, and 3378. Oh, upside down. 838, 844, 415, 451, 937, 3772, 3766, 935, 435, 3830, and the little ones. The little ones. 3810, 3347, 377, 779, 993, 562, 134, 434, 316, 3835, 712, 907. Ooh, hello green. 3814, 3727, 758, 642, 833, 3731, 832, and 3801. All right. That is it for those colors. So yes, so thank you all so much for watching. And like I said, please help me out to pick which one to do for December. Of course, you all know I will not finish it this month. Because good heaven's sakes, I haven't even finished that little one. So this one will probably be a couple year project. But anyway, I will, yeah, there's no way I'll finish that Sip of Sunshine by this week either. So I will still work on that kit on Thursday, and then that way I can pick this. You guys can help me pick out which one you want to do. So like I said, number 1 is a Garfield Christmas, and number 2 is this one, the Gethsemane. So yes, please comment down below which one you like me to kit up and start working this month. I think that's it. So yes, I will be going live this Thursday as usual at 6:30 Central Time until 8 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.